Hi everyone. Today we are doing our M&M lab. So let's take a look at your handout. The first part of it, state the problem, gather information, form your hypothesis. All of that is going to be in the PowerPoint. So please make sure you open the PowerPoint to look and see how to fill out those questions. So what I'm going to do with you is just the data collection portion. So let's take a look at our data here. Okay, so we're going to be filling in this data table here with our individual results and then our class results. So let's take a look. We are going to open our fun size bag of M&Ms and see what colors we have in here. Okay, so what we want to do is look at our colors and fill them in here. Okay, so I have red, I have blue, I have yellow, I have orange, and green. Okay, so let's take a look here. I have 2 reds. Okay, here's all my blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blues. I have 2 yellows. We have 2 orange and 4 that are green. So in this bag of M&Ms, we had a total of 15 M&Ms in this fun size bag. Okay, so then we're going to use our class data to fill this in. Okay, so on average, there were 3 red M&Ms. There were 4 blue M&Ms. There were 2 orange M&Ms. 2 yellow, 2 orange, and 3 green M&Ms. Okay, so that gives us a class average total of 14 in a bag. Okay, so we're going to use this information to make a graph. So if you're doing this at home, the easiest way to do this is we're going to delete this graph out of here. Okay, and we're going to create a graph with our Google Doc. So let's do that now. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so we have our graph here. So you're just going to delete the graph that's already there. You're going to come up here to insert. We're going to insert a chart. And we want to create a column chart. So here we call it a bar graph. They're distinguishing between which direction the bars are going to go, if they're going horizontally or they're going vertically. So typically we're going to use this type of graph. Okay, it's going to insert just a random graph with random data in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click this and click the arrow down and then open source so that we can change this information in here. Okay, so it's going to open up a Google Sheets. And we're going to take this data out of here and we're going to make our own. Okay, so we want to use our class average information to make our graph here. Okay, so I'm going to put the colors here. No, I'm going to put, let's see, delete this information out of here. average. I'm going to put our colors here. So when I do that, it's going to automatically populate and create this graph. I want to double click here to change the title. Okay, after I get everything looking just how I want it, I'm going to come back to my Google Doc, and you notice that it hasn't changed. So I'm going to wait just a minute here, and then I get this button that says update. So I'm going to click that, and then it's going to be the graph that I want it to be. Okay. All right, so that is our M&M lab. When you are finished making your graph, you're going to go ahead and write a conclusion paragraph. So refer back to the PowerPoint. It has the information that is required to go in the conclusion section. Okay, all right, y'all have a great day and enjoy your lab.